How to change username in Studypool, step-by-step guide. Welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to change your username in Studypool. Let's get started. First, go to google.com and search for Studypool. Click on the official link to open the website. Once you're on the Studypool homepage, log in using your email and password. After logging in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the Settings page, you will see the Username field. Click inside the box, remove the old username, and enter your new preferred one. Make sure it follows the username guidelines and is available. Once you've typed your new username, scroll down and click the Save and Update button. Your username will be updated instantly. That's it. This is how you can change your Studypool username. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.